One is never too old to learn a new skill. I've always fancied ploughing. I thought Ballycleary presents a unique opportunity to learn to plough. So it's been a busy 24 hours. Haven't done the headlands because there's huge amounts of roots. I don't want to break my plough, it's a bit fragile. And then off in the distance, out through that gap down there, there's another field that's 8 or 9 acres. So I know an awful lot more about ploughing now than I did yesterday morning. There's Nicola, she's herd stock person. There's me plough and me tractor.